Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the Stryker, Rejuvenate, and ABG2 litigation. The reason I'm doing this video today is to answer questions that many of our clients have asked us about the settlement that's being proposed in the Stryker Rejuvenate case. The question that's being asked is whether the settlement proposal that is out there provides for additional compensation for certain people who had revisions before the Stryker hip was recalled. And the scenario that we're seeing that occurred often was before the Stryker Rejuvenate hip was recalled. Many surgeons were performing operations without knowing what the problem was with the hip. They would go in, operate, try to find out why the patient was having problems with the hip. And usually they couldn't figure it out, and they would typically replace the ball and the cup. Unfortunately for these individuals, the problem had nothing to do with the ball and the cup. The problem with the Stryker Rejuvenate and ABG2 hips had to do with the stem. And it had to do with the stem and the neck, the junction. And so we have many clients who had surgeries before the recall where the ball and cup were replaced, and then after the recall the surgeon realized that the real problem was with the stem. So the patient had to have a second operation to have the stem removed. And so that's a fax situation that really is not covered by this settlement agreement. Unfortunately, the settlement agreement only provides for compensation for a revision surgery. And revision surgery is defined in a very specific way under the settlement agreement. It means that your stem is replaced. So if you had a surgery that did not have the stem replaced, under this settlement proposal that's out there, you receive no additional compensation for that surgery. This is sort of a hole in this settlement agreement that unfortunately does not result in fair compensation for a lot of people. If you fall within that category, really you have two options. One is to take the settlement as is or not take it. And if you don't take it, then you have to wait to hopefully get your case resolved sometime down the road. But that is the answer to that question that many people have been asking us. If you have a Stryker Rejuvenate or ABG2 hip and you have any questions about the settlement agreement, how it works, how you can receive additional compensation, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen, or you can visit our website and fill out one of our online forms.